Yo, what is up, Willie Warriors, man? Y'all already know, man. It is me, Zay the GOAT, man. We are literally inside. Hold on, we packed up. What's inside of there? Man, hold up. Let's check. Let's go ahead open this up real quick, man. But hold up, where y'all been at, though? I ain't see y'all in a little minute. Like, where y'all been, man? But let's see what's inside of here. Oh, shit. Oh. Ooh. Ah. A little red in there. Little mafia seat, you feel what I'm saying? Big throne inside the bag. Feel what I'm saying? We packed up. I know. I did not start Vlogmas at December 1st. Always like how I usually do. And that's crazy, right? But look, 12 days until Christmas for sure. Like, yo, look, Willie Warriors, this is 12 days until Christmas with Zay the GOAT. And look, on the first day, we literally about to hop on a plane. So you already know it's about to be lit this whole 12 days until Christmas. So, yeah, it's lit. We all packed up. You feel me? We got the clothes in the bag with the bike. We got the everything we need in there. You feel what I'm saying? We got the Sharpie on the side just in case. Yeah, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm about to get picked up by my mans, and then we're going to go pick up Lil Mont. Mont coming too. This is going to be me and Mont. We're going to see who else. Slide. Stay tuned. Yeah, look who picked me up. This fucking guy. We got to fit Mont and his bike back here. How we going to do it, y'all? Somebody please tell me. Mont little, he can fit right, like right there though. We could get Mont right here. Yo, this SD card got 2 minutes on it. Get the hell out of the road, dude. Look at these fucking kids. Get the fuck out of the street, dude. Alright. Hey. Go take that. Hey, we got this joint packed up. Oh, packed up. This dude Mont got an SE box, bro.
Y'all know I'm late every time. I had to hurry.
That's why I'm like, yeah, come on, let's just go there right now.
You know, slow call. Y'all tried to act so long. I tried to act like I was up already.
He was about to. We gonna be there. We gonna be there on time though for sure. What you think about fun? Egg and cheese, toast the bread lightly on the long roll. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Mayonnaise, ketchup, salt, pepper.
I'm a dirty boy. Probably gonna get some noodles to say no.
We're talking about some noodles. No, yo, we had the breakfast store, a little poppy store. Wow.
Pop. Yes, sir. Let me get a turkey sandwich on potato bread. Okay. Light meat though, alright? Alright.
Oh, did he?
Mayo, lettuce, oregano.
Yo, look. Yo, Hood Rich, yo, say what's up, Hood Rich? Yo, look, Hood Rich just blessed us with a free SC bike, bro. Everybody go hit up Hood Rich. He said he giving out a free SC bike if you go like and subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
I got mine.
You can't, but that's mine.
We doing little razor giveaways next.
Yeah.
We got free money.
Oh, free money. Oh, yeah, go pick that up.
Don't zoom in too good. This shit real.
Nah, it's real. Go get y'all free SC bike, y'all. I got mine.
Nah, this shit real paper.
Damn. Me and Mont just got the bikes out the car. Will pulling off. Alright, we got our bikes. We gotta go inside right now. About to go in right now, y'all. It's cold. Mont got the box. I got the bike. We inside. My fault. Yo, we mad short. We both scooted out. We in the massage chairs.
Unattended bags and personal safety.
21B, I'm 21C. I am kidding.
We out here. We about to hijack the plane. I can't say it too loud because they might start panicking.
Cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors, exits, and flotation devices.
Energy from 2008. I got my drink, I got my cup.
What is up, y'all? We just landed in Charlotte. They got some Cinnabon. I might have to hit the Cinnabon. I ain't gonna lie, some Cinnabon might hit. But y'all, they airport nice though. Yo, Willie Warriors, we just landed in freaking Arkansas. We in Arkansas right now. Y'all, you know we gotta wait for the oversized bags. because we brought our bikes. So we just waiting on our bikes to come out right now. Me and Mont brought our bikes, 2 drones. So yeah, we waiting for them right now.
Oh yeah, we safe.
Yo, easy. What's up, Scott?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah, they came in with the Crash Boys hats on.
Yeah, dude. What is this, 2023, I think? Just fall down, you know? We got some good riding here. How we want to split. Whoever, whatever. I don't like it. Okay.
Bikes locked in the truck.
Real good.
They said this place at Pizza Shop. I think I'm probably gonna get pizza because they said that their specialty is pizza. So why wouldn't I get pizza? So boom. See this little spot? They got that bar. Say hi to my video. Yeah!
This is where, like, we're past these trees just a little bit, like 100 maybe yards, is the start of They're like, the door's open. Yeah, is it okay? That means come in. Yeah, you gotta go check out the towel art upstairs. That's the best.
Towel art?
Oh yeah.
The garage door getting left open, bro. It's not.
I know.
Hold up, he said the shooter's gonna come in and talk about everybody get down. Get on the ground.
We just saw the school. The school is tough.
Yeah, the school is
I
fire.
did a lap around. I took him downtown and I did a lap around Dayton. Oh no, wait.
Hey y'all, we just got into the Airbnb. I guess the Airbnb, I don't even know, but as y'all can see, it's so nice. There's a lot going on. They got the towel art. They got towel art on the bed. Nice little bathroom. Now I am. The swan on the bed. Me and my hair. Hold up. That boy Mont over here having a goddamn he need a knee replacement. Somebody get him a knee. We was gonna go for a little ride tonight, but it had started raining. I don't know if it's still raining. I think it stopped though. If the rain stopped, oh man, look at that, y'all, man. Yeah, we cooked, man. Yeah, we cooked, man. Look at the rain. I hope y'all enjoyed the first day of 12 days of Vlogmas. It's gonna be lit. Stay tuned for the rest of the days. We're literally about to go on a ride tomorrow with the guys out here from Arkansas. So make sure to stay tuned. I got my baby girl right here, looking beautiful. And yeah, we out. We'll see y'all tomorrow.